Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're just going to do a quick little catch up. I have some news that I want to share with you all. We've got some good news, bad news, and unfortunately some sad news. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, as most of you know, or you may have noticed, I have taken some time off. I have not been uploading as many videos as I normally do, because your girl was just running on E. So I did take a few days off, and I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling refreshed and ready to get right back out there into a crazy couponing mode. And I know that a lot of you all probably don't realize this, but with this YouTube channel, I do not take a day off. There is not one day that goes by that I'm not working on coupons, answering emails, working on the next video, working on visual video. I mean, this job is literally a job where you have to stay on your toes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because I just never know when the next run glitch is going to pop up, the next run deal. Plus, I like to post all of our weekly videos as well, like coupon matchups, daily deals, sales, 5 off 25 scenarios. Plus, we have our clearance and penny list. So if we have surprise pennies, you know your girl either has to stay up super late or get up really early and start looking for those surprise penny items. And to make a long story short, I do put a lot of time and effort and many hours into keeping this channel going. That way we can continue growing our crazy couponing community here. So it is rare that I will take a break, and it is very rare that I will take a week-long break plus a couple of days. But we're going to talk about that here in a minute. But anyways, it's very rare that I will take any kind of break from uploading on this channel. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, and know that I really enjoyed my time off. I did take full advantage of every single day that I had off. I did get some good rest. I relaxed. Plus, I also got caught up on a few things like emails and messages. So overall, it was a wonderful break, and I do want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for all of your love and support. When I posted that video, I was hoping that you guys would, you would get it and you would roll with it too, and you did, and you just filled that comment section with so much love and support. I cannot even believe it. I am still reading through the comments on that video, and you can trust and believe that whenever I have a bad day, that's the video that I'm going to pull up, and I'm going to read through all of those comments, because that was absolutely amazing. I mean, when I say I was thoroughly blown away by your all's response and just the amount of love and support, and hey, we've got your back, we'll be here when you get back, take some time off, all of those wonderful messages let me know that, hey, it's okay, it's all right, I can go and I can relax and everything's going to be fine, and whenever I get back, my people will be here. So thank you all so much for the love, for the reassurance, for the support. You have no idea how much it means to me. And I was literally in tears reading through those comments. And like I said, I have not even read through all of them yet, because I believe we are like over 800 comments on that video now. So absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much. Now, in that video, I did promise you all that we were going to be doing a giveaway, because we hit 50,000 subscribers, I believe about a month or so ago now. So I will be announcing the winners of the gift card giveaway in Friday and Saturday's videos. So there's your good news. Number one, your girl is back in action, full on crazy couponing mode. Plus, I'm going to be announcing the winners of the giveaway. All right, so there's your good news. Now we do have to talk about a little bit of bad news. And unfortunately, this also has to do with me taking some time off and taking my little break. Now, I'm not going to be taking another break, so don't worry about that. However, with YouTube, they do not like it when creators take time off. And in fact, I feel like they kind of punish us when we do, because with YouTube, they want you to be putting out videos on a regular and consistent basis. And if you go and you take a break, or you take a few days off, and you're not uploading those videos like you normally do, the YouTube algorithm isn't going to recognize when you come back and you start putting out videos again. So therefore, that means that I have to come back, I have to work twice as hard in order to get my videos out into the YouTube algorithm like they were before I took some time off. So in a way, I feel like I'm being punished for taking that time off, and it really does stink, but you know, it is what it is. That's the YouTube algorithm. That's the name of the game. So your girl's gonna come back. I'm gonna work twice as hard to get my videos and to get this channel back to where it was before I took those few days off, but I am going to ask you all for your help. And I know that you all are the only ones who can help me out with this, so I'm really counting on you, and I know you can do it, because when I left and I posted my I'm sorry video, you guys proved it to me in that video. Like I said, I believe there's over 800 comments underneath that video now. So I know that you all can do it, and all I'm asking is to please remember to do all the little things on all of the videos for the next 2 weeks, just until, you know, things get back to normal and everything gets back into the swing of things, and then I think we'll be just fine. But I do need your all's help getting back into the rhythm, getting back into the YouTube algorithm. And also, we're going to tell YouTube that, hey, that stinks. That's not cool, and it's not fair. We're going to let our girl take a couple of days off, get refreshed, and when she comes back, we want to see what she's putting out there. So we're going to give the videos all a thumbs up. We're going to watch these videos all the way through. We're going to leave comments, and we're going to share the videos, because the YouTube algorithm can't stop the crazy couponers. And we're going to let YouTube know that this week, all right? So don't forget to do all the things. I really do need your all's help on this one. All right, now that we've covered the good and the bad, unfortunately, I also have some really sad news to share with you all. And this is the reason why I had to take a couple extra days off. I was actually planning on coming back Friday or Saturday or Sunday, but unfortunately, we lost one of our pets. And if you guys have been around for a while, you know I love my pets. All of my pets are rescue pets. I have a little Chihuahua. We have a bearded dragon. We also have several cats. So, but unfortunately, we lost one over the weekend. And I know that you guys have seen him on the channel before. I posted his picture several times, and here he is, Garfield, with his beautiful, silly little smiling face. He was always such a ham. He would pose for me when I take pictures. I mean, he had us laughing all the time, and he was so loving. He always wanted to be picked up or pet, and he was truly just a member of the family. And like I said, he was a rescue cat, so he showed up here. And of course, we took him right in, and our other cats accepted him into their little pack of cats, their little cat family. And he was the male, so he was naturally protective over all of the females. He would keep, you know, the riffraff out of the yard and things like that. So he is truly going to be missed, and we're all super sad about it right now. Even the cats, my little Chihuahua, I mean, you can tell that everybody knows he's gone and he's not coming back. So that is why I had to take a couple of extra days off. And I just wanted to share that with you all, because I know that you all have seen him on the channel several times. And I don't know if you guys are like me or not, but my pets are more like my kids. They're just a part of the family. So this one really hit me hard. Unfortunately, we have the sad news with Garfield passing away. We've got a little bit of bad news with the YouTube punishments coming my way. But we also have some good news to look forward to. I will be announcing the giveaway winners Friday and Saturday, and your girl is going to be back into full crazy couponing mode. So there you have it. I didn't want to leave you all on a sad note. So let's just look forward to all of the good things that we have coming up. We're going to put a big smile on our faces, because I know that's what Garfield would want me to do. And yeah, that is going to be it for me for now. Before you all go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave a smile in the comment section, and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.